Whee! Ta-da! This is a striped cockatoo, hatched June 16th of 2013. Hand fed. How many feedings is it on now?
Right now she's on 1 a day. It's a gratuity feeding. She likes to eat.
Is she sad?
No, but her eyes are showing out that she's probably going to be a girl. She hasn't been surgically or DNA'd. We're just going by eyes. Ta-da! Ta-da!
You're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good girl, huh? Yeah? Yeah? You ready? Are you ready? Huh? Ta-da! Step. Step. Again, this is a Triton cockatoo. Hatched June 13th of 2013. Hand fed. Probably a girl. If you would like more information or pics and videos of our babies, go to www.corbettbirds.com or Facebook us at Corbett Birds. What? Ta-da! Ta-da!